Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your OS is up to date, and grant the app accessibility and overlay permissions so actions run reliably. Once done, open the split-screen shortcut app and create your first shortcut. Pick the apps you want to launch together and select the layout. You do this because predefining pairs saves time later, and permissions let the shortcut automate window placement without prompting you each time. Next, refine the behavior so the shortcut matches your workflow. Configure window sizes using percent values or custom pixels, and decide whether windows should snap to edges or float. Then assign a hotkey or gesture. A single key press is fastest, while a gesture reduces accidental triggers. Make sure to set app-specific rules, for example, force desktop mode for browser apps or keep focus on the media player, because these rules prevent layout glitches and preserve the state you expect. Finish by testing your shortcut across several app combinations. Run a quick tweak pass and save presets for common workflows so you don't recreate layouts. Once satisfied, enable launch at startup if you want it available immediately. This ensures consistency. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and regrant accessibility, then restart the app or the system, and finally reset layout presets if windows behave oddly. This sequence fixes most issues because it restores permissions, clears transient errors, and returns defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.